In this video, we will learn how to divide two polynomials, such as this. First of all, let's look at the long division of two numbers 79 and 6. 79 is the dividend and 6 the divisor. After the first division, the remainder is 19, which is more than the divisor 6. So 19 can be divided by 6 again, and the remainder is 1, which is less than the divisor. So the long division stops. We call 13 the quotient, and we can write 79 as 6 times 13 plus 1. That is, the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. We can use the same method to divide one polynomial by another. We draw the long division sign. The dividend is a degree 2 polynomial. It is placed inside the long division sign. The divisor, x plus 2, a degree 1 polynomial, is placed outside the long division sign. Look at the x squared term in the dividend and the x term in the divisor, x plus 2. What is x squared divided by x? The answer is x, and we put the answer above the long division sign. Next, we multiply x and the divisor x plus 2 to get x squared plus 2x and write it in the next level of the division. We subtract this from the dividend x squared minus 3x plus 4 to get negative 5x plus 4. This is a degree 1 polynomial, and it can still be divided by the divisor, x plus 2. Now, we need to ask what is negative 5x divided by x. Yes, it is negative 5. We write negative 5 above the long division sign. Next, we multiply negative 5 with the divisor, x plus 2, to get negative 5x minus 10. Similarly, we subtract it from negative 5x plus 4. We get 14, which is a degree 0 polynomial. 14 cannot be divided by x plus 2. This means the division stops. Finally, we get a quotient x minus 5, which is of degree 1, and the remainder 14 is a constant, a degree 0 polynomial. Note the degree of the remainders at each step of the long division. Do you see a pattern? The degree of the remainder decreases till it is less than the degree of the divisor, which is 1. Similar to numbers, we can express the dividend polynomial as the divisor x plus 2 times the quotient x minus 5 plus the remainder 14. Here is a degree 3 polynomial divided by a degree 1 polynomial. We can use long division to find the quotient and remainder. We place the dividend inside the long division sign. Next, we put the divisor 2x minus 1 outside the long division sign. Look at 4x cubed and the x term in the divisor. We divide 4x cubed by 2x and write the answer 2x squared in the quotient. We multiply the divisor by 2x squared to get 4x cubed minus 2x squared and write it in the next level of the division. We subtract the product from the dividend to get a remainder which is of degree 2. At this step, the remainder is a degree 2 polynomial. So, it can still be divided by the divisor 2x minus 1. What is the answer if negative 2x squared is divided by 2x? Yes, the answer is negative x. We multiply negative x with the divisor to get negative 2x squared plus x. We subtract it from its dividend to get negative 2x plus 4, a degree 1 polynomial. A degree 1 polynomial can still be divided by the degree 1 divisor 2x minus 1. When negative 2x is divided by 2x, the answer is negative 1. We multiply negative 1 with the divisor to get negative 2x plus 1 and subtract it from the previous dividend to get the remainder 3. It is a constant which cannot be divided by the divisor, which is of degree 1. Again, What do you notice about the degree of the remainders at each division? The degree decreases until it is less than the degree of the divisor. It is useful to express the polynomial in the form of divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. Let us look at one last example. A degree 3 polynomial is divided by a degree 2 polynomial. We can see that there is no x squared term in the dividend. For long division, we write the dividend in descending powers and insert the 0 times x squared term. We look at the highest power of x term in the dividend and divisor. What is 4x cubed divided by 2x squared? Yes, the answer is 2x. We write 2x above the dividend and multiply the divisor to obtain 4x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4x. We subtract this product from the dividend and write the answer in the next line. This is a degree 2 polynomial, same as that of the divisor, so we can continue with the long division. Notice that negative 2x squared divided by 2x squared is negative 1. We write negative 1 in the quotient and multiply the divisor to obtain negative 2x squared minus x plus 2. Subtract this remainder from the degree 2 dividend to get a constant 4. This is a degree 0 polynomial, so the long division stops. Like before, we can write a polynomial as a product of the divisor and the quotient plus the remainder.